Hello guys, welcome to another session of my YouTube video. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online. So or you can check on my previous video. I usually do techs videos on tech, on how to do some tech stuff, some hick and trick stuff like format password and do also other stuff, track phone and the others. You can check them in my channel below. So let's get going. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser. The name of the website is PWC234. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in. You log in, the rules and regulations of this group so that you won't be blocked, and how to earn and how to withdraw, how to bind it to your wallet or your bank account. So you go to it. For the first time, to carry to a page like this, where you click on my, then you click on register. You input your phone number, verification code, that is this one over here, login. Then you input your invitation code. My invitation code is going to be in the description below. So for me, I've already created an account, so I'm just going to log in. After you log in, bro, this is the website. This is a place where you do social media tags and get paid. Like for example, I'm going to come over to the VIP section where you can see your identity VIP1. There is different section of this VIP member. There is the intern, that is the one that is free. You get 100 naira per day. You get 100 naira per tax, and your total tax is 4. That is making 400 naira per day. VIP1, you use 6,000 to upgrade to VIP1. You get 100 naira per tax. Monthly income 12,000. VIP2 30,000. VIP3 15,000. VIP4 300,000. Sorry, VIP3 150,000. VIP4 300,000. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can check the website. So I advise you go for VIP2, but as a new, but in this video you can be an intern member and still earn. You can be an intern member and still earn. Please do watch the video to the end so you won't miss a part of this. Without being a VIP, you can still earn and make your money. So first of all, go to my, this is my wallet balance. After you create an account, you head over to your home. You head over to, you choose the tags you want, whether Facebook, YouTube, Instagram or TikTok. So me, I'm going to choose YouTube tags. See intern VIP, you select your current status. Me, I'm in VIP1, but for you that is a new member, you head over to intern. After you click on receive, VIP1 maximum is 4 tax per day. Normal intern also is 4 tax per day, but VIP2 is 10, VIP3 increase. So I receive 4. I head over back home, tax, CD4. Then I open the link. Head me over to YouTube. So all you got to do, all you have to do, you like and subscribe. Screenshot it. Head over to the website. Upload your image and done. Submit. So after doing your 4 tax, then you can see my previous balance was 26. Within maybe they'll verify it after like 5 minutes. So whenever I come in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to pause the video. After 5 minutes, I'll come on. So now let's go over to how to withdraw and how to recharge. First of all, you click on my wallet under the my section. my wallet, see the recharge and withdraw. My recharge record, this was when I wanted to recharge for VIP1. It was fail why this was completed. It was stressful. Then these are my withdrawal record. Though yes, this I've withdraw only once because is this platform is still new. I'm planning to withdraw again very soon. So when if you want to deposit, you head over to recharge. Either you deposit by OPay or USDT. Then you go back to withdraw. First of all, before you go to withdraw, you need to first set up your funding password and your personal information. So head over to personal information. Here you 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 click on setting, you add your bank card, you put your name, payment method, select your bank. If it's your USDT wallet you want, you select it, you confirm. Here you paste your USDT wallet. Here to also you still reconfirm pasting the USDT wallet address, and please make sure to be TRC20 USDT TRC20 through. Also, if you don't have a USDT account or USDT wallet, you can use your bank. When you use your bank, select your bank, any bank, you paste your account number and your account number. Make sure that the name you use for the registration and your name that you put over here tallies with the name of your bank account or your USDT wallet. And also don't forget to make sure that if you are using USDT wallet, make sure it should be TRC20. Then you can convert to fund password. You click. For the first time, it's going to show you only new password and confirm. So you click on the password, create your password and confirm it. After that, when it's set, you go over to my wallet. You go back my wallet, withdraw. Minimum is 1,000. So if you're VIP1 or in other numbers, you do tax for only 4 days. 4 days to be an ordinary members. So after that, you select withdraw amount. You select either your bank or your USDT. You click on it, you confirm. Then if you use your USDT, it will help you and convert it. Okay, for example, I want to withdraw my 2,600. 600 is going to work, but I don't want to withdraw now. So this video is just for creation's sake and to let you guys know. Then you input your fund password, the one you created over there, then submit. And also, if you want to withdraw through your bank account, you select it and confirm. This amount is equal to naira. 2,600 is equal to 2,600 in naira. So you can check over the profit on the page. If you refer someone, you get commission. So please do use my referral bonus, my referral link, to get your referral bonus and also me. So after that, now you can see, now from 2,600, now it's already 2,900, which means two of my tax, one is still in audit and the rest are complete. So once the last one is done, it will be 3,000. So after that, so please do make sure you note this: do not create double accounts because you'll be blocked. Whenever you want to refer someone, forward the link only. Do not hotspot the person to log in and do tax. So I'm going to advise you guys to upgrade to any VIP, because for normal intern you can only do tax for 3 days, making it total of 1,200. And when you have 1,200, then you can add 4,800 and upgrade to VIP1, or you can add 13,800 to upgrade to VIP2. But I strongly recommend you to upgrade to any VIP, so that if not, you won't be able to withdraw. So please kindly use my referral link to register, and kindly like, subscribe to my channel. I'll also post another video on how to make money for free, and I'll also post a video. Please do to watch the previous video on how to get 500 megabytes for 100 naira on MTN and valid for 1 month.